Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and I'm your English teacher. Before we continue with our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more English lessons like this. In today's video, we are going to be learning 15 fruit names and their pronunciations. Don't forget to repeat after me after I say the names of the fruits. So, let's start. Apple, apple. Watermelon, watermelon. Orange, orange. Strawberry, strawberry. Grape, grape. Cherry, cherry. Pineapple, pineapple. Fig, fig. Kiwi, kiwi. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Plum, plum. Banana, banana. Lemon, lemon. Avocado, avocado. Grapefruit, grapefruit. Okay, so guys, now you have learned 15 fruit names. And now you can tell me your favorite fruit. Which of these fruits is your favorite? You can comment down below and let me know. If you like this video, don't forget to give big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and spread the knowledge. I will see you guys later in another video very soon. Bye bye.